Here are 5 real ways to start making money online, even if you're starting from zero. First, sell digital products. Think templates, planners, ebooks. Make once, sell forever on Gumroad or Etsy. Start with Canva plus Gumroad. 2. Freelancing person editing video, writing blog, or designing voiceover. Number 2. Freelancing. If you can write, edit video, or design, offer your skills on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. On screen. Tip: start with one skill, plus build a simple portfolio. 3. Promote products you love and earn commissions. Use platforms like Amazon Associates or Impact. 4. Print on demand. Use AI to make cool t-shirt or mug designs and sell on Redbubble or Teespring. On-screen tip: try Kittle plus Midjourney plus Redbubble. 5. YouTube automation. Create faceless videos using AI scripts, voiceovers, and stock footage. Monetize with ads or affiliates. Use Pictory, ChatGPT, and CapCut.